Juniper berries. Juniper berries are actually the female cones off the juniper tree. These cones are used for flavoring drinks and food when cooking. The oil from the berries can have a diuretic effect. Juniper berries have been used for centuries to stimulate kidney and bladder function, to remove toxins and impurities out of the body. Juniper berries are also considered an antibiotic herb used to treat infections, digestive problems, large and small intestines, and spleen issues. Large doses may cause convulsions, so use with extreme care. Juniper is used primarily as a detox and an antioxidant and antiseptic. It's also antifungal. It may help with cancer. It helps with heartburn, bloating, joint and muscle pain, as well as an anti-inflammatory agent. Using the berries too as an inhalant through steam has shown to help with bronchitis. Extracts from juniper have been used to treat snake bites and intestinal worms. Always remember, consult your doctor before supplementing herbs for medication.